Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put border to left and right of page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put border to left and right of this page. Go to the shape drop down menu, then click a line shape, then draw a line on the left and right side. Press shift on our keyboard to draw this line perfectly. Then press Ctrl Alt and copy the rectangle on the right side in same ratio. Now we can see we put a border to left and right of this page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.